Hey, everyone. If you're a programmer in 2024 and you're not using AI tools, you're basically coding with one hand tied behind your back today. I'm sharing 5 game-changing AI tools that will supercharge your productivity and make you a better developer. Let's dive in. First up, we have GitHub Copilot, and honestly, this tool feels like having a coding partner who never sleeps. Copilot is an AI pair programmer that suggests entire lines or blocks of code as you type. It understands context from your existing code, works with dozens of programming languages. Number 2, AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Claude. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just for writing emails? But these are absolute powerhouses for programming tasks. Debugging. Paste your error message and get explanations with solutions code review. Get instant feedback on your code structure. Tool number 3 is Cursor, and this is where things get really interesting. Cursor is an AI-first code editor that's built on top of VS Code, so it feels familiar, but with AI superpowers baked in. Chat with your entire codebase, ask questions about how your code works, edit multiple files simultaneously with AI assistance, auto-fix bugs across your project. Coming in at number 4 is Tab 9. If you're concerned about privacy or work with proprietary code, Tab 9 is your answer. Runs locally on your machine. Your code never leaves your computer. Learns from your codebase specifically. Works with all major IDEs. VS Code, IntelliJ, PyCharm, Sublime, and more. Last but definitely not least, number 5 is Find. And this is my secret weapon for research and learning. AI-powered search engine built specifically for developers. Gives you code examples with explanations, shows multiple solutions with pros and cons, cites sources, so you can dig deeper. Yeah, that's enough for today. Hope you like this video. Follow for more. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. See you soon.